Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEFS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is FB, that means fill in the blanks and matching, from lesson 7 and 8. Fill in the blanks from lesson 7 and matching from lesson 8. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 7 and SW number 6. Lecture number 7 and SW number 6. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn fill in the blanks and matching from lesson 7 and 8. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, fill in the blanks. My dear students, there are 7 fill in the blanks from lesson 7. This 7 fill in the blanks for lesson 7. Okay, my dear students, let's start. Our first fill in the blanks. There are mosques all over the dash. What will be the answer? Yes, our answer will be world. There are mosques all over the world. So our answer will be world. Now number 2, a mosque is a place where the dash pray. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be where the Muslims pray. Our answer will be Muslims. Now number 3, mosques are dash places. What will be the answer? Yes, our answer will be holy. Mosques are holy places. Now number 4, my dear students, the mihrab shows where the Kaaba is, where the dash is. What will be the answer? Our answer will be Kaaba. The mihrab shows where the Kaaba is, so our answer will be Kaaba. Now number 5, dash the oldest house of prayer in dash. What will be the answer? Yes, Kaaba, the oldest house of prayer in Makkah. Kaaba, the oldest house of prayer in Makkah. So our answer will be Kaaba and Makkah. Now number 6, my dear students, most mosques have dash. Most mosques have, our answer will be towers. Our answer will be towers. Now number 7 and last number, fill in the blanks. These towers are called dash. These towers are called minarets. These towers are called minarets. So our answer will be minarets. My dear students, these 7 fill in the blanks from lesson 7. Lesson 7. And my dear students, now matching. Now we will learn matching from lesson 8. We will learn matching from lesson 8. My dear students, look at the board. You see here there are 2 types of sentence. Right side and left side. Left side and right side. My dear students, you see here there are 2 types of sentences. Left side and right side. We have to match all of these left side, right side sentences with right side. We have to match, my dear students, we have to match all of these right side sentences with left side sentences. Okay, let's start, my dear students. My dear students, here is the matching and here is the answer. I have written here the answer. Okay, let's start. Number 1, Salatul Fajr. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, look at the answer. Salatul Fajr, in the early morning before sunrise. What will be the answer? In the early morning before sunrise. So number B will be matched with number 1. So our answer will be in the early morning before sunrise. Look at the answer again. Salatul Fajr, in the early morning before sunrise. Now number 2, my dear students, Salatul Johor. What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, look at the answer now. Salatul Zuhur in the afternoon. Salatul Zuhur in the afternoon. So our answer will be C, in the afternoon. In the afternoon, my dear students. So number C will be matched with number 2. Salatul Zuhur in the afternoon. So number C will be matched with number 2. So our answer will be C, 2 and C, 2 plus C. Now my dear students, number 3, Salatul Asr. What will be the answer, my dear students? Look at the answer now. Salatul Asr in the late afternoon before sunset. Salatul Asr in the late afternoon before sunset. What will be the answer here, my dear students? Yes, in the late afternoon before sunset. That means, my dear students, number D will be matched with number 3. Salatul Asr in the late afternoon before sunrise. That means we have to perform Salatul Asr in the late afternoon before sunset. Now, my dear students, number 4, Salatul Maghrib. Salatul Maghrib. What will be the answer, my dear students? Now look at the answer. Salatul Maghrib after sunset. Salatul Maghrib after sunset. My dear students, what will be the answer here? Salatul Maghrib after sunset. E, my dear students, number E will be matched with number 4. So our answer will be Salatul Maghrib after sunset. Now, my dear students, number 5, and this is our last number, Salatul Isha. Look at the answer. Salatul Isha at night. Our answer will be at night. That means at night. Number A will be matched with number 5. So our answer will be Salatul Isha at night. Salatul Isha at night. My dear students, this matching from lesson 8 and this fill in the blanks from lesson 7. Okay, my dear students, you know that today is our SW number. SW number 6, and you will make SW at your home. Fill in the blanks from 1 to 5. Fill in the blanks from 1 to 5. My dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. And Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned fill in the blanks and matching from lesson 7 and 8. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 7 and SW number 6. And my dear students, you will make SW at your home. SW number 6, fill in the blanks from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. My dear students, from 1 to 5. You will make SW at your home, fill in the blanks from 1 to 5 in this pattern. And no need to make SW this matching. You will make SW only fill in the blanks from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.